The little world might laugh as you set out on your objective, but let me point this out. The big world is going to be right there at the finish line, cheering you across. Let me also emphasize that what you get by reaching the destinations you set in life, what you get is not nearly so important as what you will become by reaching your destination. You see, you'll become the winner you were born to be.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact strategy, exactly how I'm able to generate a couple of hundred leads every day to multiple businesses that I run. Now, this is a free method. You don't have to pay anything, but if you do have money, extra cash, please invest in yourself, invest in paid ads, invest in your marketing, because that's gonna ultimately help you grow. But if you don't have money and you're just not getting started with with marketing online, this is a free method you can use that's been working for me for years. So I'm just gonna show you exactly how I'm able to do this. So what I do, I usually come to Unsplash. Unsplash is a photo-based website where you can get royalty-free photos. You don't have to pay for anything. All the photos are high quality. They're gorgeous pictures. You can go here and just search the world. So it don't matter what industry that you're in. Like I said, you could be in weight loss, healthcare, real estate, MLM, direct sales. It don't matter what business that you're in. You can use these photos. There's something in your niche, always something in your niche in here. So what we want to do, we really just want to come over here and we'll find some photos. So what I will do, let's not make this a headache. Let's put let's just click here and then just find a photo. So let's get these photos of these gentlemen, and what we usually do, just download it. Bam. And once it's downloaded, once you find your photo that you're looking for, you download it. You can actually share it to Twitter or Facebook if you like, to give them a little credit. So I'll come up here. I think my computer running a little slow, lost internet. But you guys, this method right here has been working for me for years. I'm talking about years, not just recently. People say photos do not work. Photos have been working since day one of the internet for advertisement. So don't let nobody tell you that video is your main thing. Videos definitely are good. Definitely use videos as well. But photos have not went anywhere. They definitely convert just as well as videos. So keep that in mind when you're doing your advertisement. But you know, this is work. So let me see what's up with this. All right, after you got your photo, you come to Canva. Canva is just like a design site where you could design basically a lot of digital things, like resumes. You know, you could do your yearbook, you could do Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube cover arts, book covers, album covers. It doesn't matter. This website have it, and they have tons of templates for you. So this is what I use. Actually, once I get my image, I actually come over here to Canva and just click on Facebook ad, because sometimes I do run ads for these pictures, and just to make sure that it's the right size and correct, you know, format for it. So I take that picture that we have and I actually add it right here, and just wait till this upload. And I think it's fully uploaded. So once it's fully uploaded, it's actually going to upload right here. So we want to come right here and we want to just find a template, easily template that works for you. It don't matter what it is, but make sure it says free. They actually have some paid versions for it. If it have a $sign, that means you have to pay for it. But if it have free, you know, free to use it. So I come right here, just click one, and I take that photo that we just uploaded, put it right here. And actually I could just, you know, move this part up a little, keep it just like that, and look how clean that is. So let's see if I can add a background to this. Add a background. Once I added the background, click on this. All right. Bam. So imagine what your text can say. Your text can say anything that you wanted to say. Keep it simple. Well, let's make this a little bit smaller, because this is what we want to do. Make it a little bit smaller, put it right here, and let me see if the lines show up. The line's not showing. Okay, you see how them purple lines showed up? That's just making sure it's aligned correctly. And you can probably, yeah, I'll keep it like that, just for you know, example purposes. So this is a clean image, and I like it, and I'll probably use it. So what you'll do, just of course you'll title, make it your title or something. So we put test 101 and put done, and you want to download this text, download it, and basically that's it, people. You have your ad. And now what you want to go do now, and you want to go to Facebook. You want to go to Facebook, and you want to create, you know, of course, a capture for it, and you want to be able to either give them a call to action. Either you want to put the link there, or you want them to comment it on your post, so you can you know, inbox them the information. So I'm going to show you some examples of what I have been doing for the last maybe a couple of weeks. I've been doing it all the time, but this is what I've been doing a couple of weeks. So I actually posted this maybe about a month ago, almost a month ago. But you see, I've used the same method. I took a picture. I have, you know, $1,200 a week, copy and paste an ads. Just that simple. And I have a capture, say, if I paid you $150 a day online, would you do it? To post ads online, would you do it? And I give them a call to action. If so, watch this. And you see, it's a YouTube video. And of course, people have been commenting as well. You have some spam comment, but I have comments. And I actually post this in groups, people. This is another group that did very well as well. See how many comments I have? And it's the same picture. I think I have another one. This one right here as well. It actually doesn't have any text engagement down here, but I know for a fact, because my this actually is a video as well. The video has been gaining momentum since I've been sharing it. So you see, I'm just trying to gain momentum, and that's how I'm able to get that free traffic, free leads. And this one right here for the real estate, I actually did a little paid ad for it, put like $5 on it, but it's the same picture. It's a picture ad, nothing special. I got it from Unsplash, put it in Canva, got it the correct size, and you know, it definitely worked. And you see how much engagement I got. I have tons of leads from this. So you know, hopefully y'all find value in this video. So you know, just go out, get you some pictures, get you some, make you a great caption, put a call to action, and you know, market it. Just don't post it in one group, people. Especially these ads, don't post it in one group. Post it in tons of groups. Post it in hundreds of groups, so you can get the best results. So you post it in 100 groups, and you know, you get comments like this, you know, free leads in your business, people. So like I said, hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.